Again, thank you. It's an honor to be with you today. I'm Todd Wallach, CEO of Solution Medical. As an introduction to me, I'm a life science executive and entrepreneur, and have taken drugs from the earliest signal in the lab to multiple drugs on the market globally, and have had multiple drug company exits with greater than 20 times return. Solution Medical is a specialty pharmaceutical company focusing on drugs requiring mixing at the point of care. Solution was founded by Julia Anthony, where she and her family members are patients who experience multiple adrenal crisis events per year, requiring emergency care for immediate administration of cortisol, the stress hormone. 200,000 patients in the US, like Julia, are under constant threat of a crisis. This is a life-threatening condition that is triggered by the body's inability to produce cortisol. Immediate treatment is required, and if immediate treatment is not required, results in potential long and costly hospital stays and potential death. Adrenal crisis patients have significant demand for easy-to-use products similar to the EpiPen. Current products are based on vials and ampules, technologies from the 50s and 60s. In the event of a crisis, patients are under a state of significant mental and physical impairment, and if this process flow looks complicated, imagine it being done when about to pass out, shaking, or lying on the floor, requiring 14 precise steps. Reconstituting injectables are very difficult to do, but we have developed two easy-to-use combination drug device products protected by 6 patent families to address adrenal crisis. First, our 3-step pre-filled syringe for patient retail and hospital use launching in 2026, and our 2-step twist-ject auto-injector for patient retail use in 2027. These injectors reconstitute the drug, preserving shelf life, availability, and simplifying administration. Our regulatory path, as confirmed with FDA, is via the abbreviated 505(b)(2) NDA pathway, which requires only minimal clinical trials. And our current and emerging competition in the market for adrenal crisis is the status quo. Customer discovery was completed in over 1,900 patients, and we are actively collaborating with 18 patient advocacy groups and multiple clinicians worldwide who are ready to endorse and purchase our products, creating a strong market pull at launch. Our next major milestone is manufacturing readiness for our pre-filled syringe in 2025, of which we are raising our $5 million Series A. This milestone is critical as it builds our product to manufacturing and commercial readiness. We project $145 million in US sales of our adrenal crisis products with 85% gross margin and growing to 20% market share. We expect to be cash flow positive and break even within the first 1 to 2 years of US-only sales. Our management and extended external team bring extensive experience commercializing drugs and devices from small, medium, and large pharma, and includes expertise in formulation, engineering, regulatory, reimbursement, and commercialization. $1.5 million has been raised to date, and we're raising our $5 million Series A, our first equity round, and it's being led by the Keiretsu Forum, and due diligence has been completed by Keiretsu, Band of Angels, Golden Seeds, and the 10 Capital Network. The round represents attractive terms for new investors, including participating preferred, warrant coverage, and 2 board seats. We anticipate first closing in coming weeks. Completion of our Series A milestone opens up our target exit window, which we're already in extensive discussions with 10 companies, and offers strong potential return scenarios over the next 2 to 3 years. Finally, Solution Medical is committed to bringing the best drugs to market to as many patients as soon and as easy to use as possible. Thank you, and I look forward to further interactions and further conversations in our breakout session.